What up, fam? In this video, let me change my voice. Hey guys, so in this video, we're gonna be talking about, but for real, we're gonna talk about growing an Instagram account from scratch, how to grow on Instagram from scratch, all that stuff. One of my clients here, not only growing on Instagram from scratch, but we're also building a business. So this is gonna become the first part of the video series. Want you guys to follow, pay attention to on growing on Instagram from scratch, everything we're doing from day one, and generating the right type of followers that will become monetizable. So you're gonna see over the next few weeks how we build this Instagram account, put products behind it, and actually monetize it. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. Okay, so if we go right in here, what you should see is the social blade statistics for this Instagram account. And real quick, if you can go ahead and subscribe, that'd be really good. So hit this button if you're brand new to the channel. We do a lot of stuff about like Instagram and making money and entrepreneurship and like all of those things that most people think are a scam because making money online actually isn't real and everybody should go to college and just like have $120,000 in student loans. So we don't do any of that and we make more money. This nerd right here makes 7 figures a year with Instagram and like he's taught tons of people, so like you should probably listen. Okay, so let's get serious here. On the screen here, you'll see this is the social blade for Pampered Puppy Place, okay? Pampered Puppy Place. What is it? It's in the puppy niche. Everybody loves puppies. That's a niche where a lot of dog owners, they're spending a lot of money on their dogs, okay? So the account's brand new, all right? It's been started just, I don't know, a few weeks ago. And you can see not gaining too much right now. You know, average 20 followers a day, 30, 40, really best days about 73. Now, when Jim came to me, he had about, I don't know, 300-400 followers, about 440, I think, something like that. But there was no pattern, all right? There was no clarity in the content, the captioning wasn't right, the hashtags weren't right. So we had to clean that up and sort of purify it, all right? Implemented a few of the growth strategies, 502 being one of them, you guys have heard about that before. Just a lot of extensive networking. Phase 2 is gonna be Instagram ads, okay? So we're gonna be doing IG story ads, we're gonna be doing some influencer stuff, but I'm gonna walk you behind what we've done so far and where we're going with this, okay? So what I want you guys to realize is the pattern, all right? So right off the bat, we're doing that alternating checkerboard pattern. So it's pick, video, pick, video, pick, video, pick, video, pick, video, pick, video. We're alternating, right? 3 posts a day, okay? And we're hitting the impressions. So we want 9 a.m., 12 p.m., 3 p.m. We wanna hit the most economically sound parts of the entire world, okay? So East India, okay? Eastern Europe, the Middle East, these are not areas with economical opportunity. So we want to attract more United States, more Western Europe, the UK, Australia, and we want to get out of the, 15, 16, 17, 18-year-old followers and more into populations where there's a little bit more money. So if you look at the analytics so far, I just had Jim go ahead and send this over earlier today here, but what you can see here is that the top age range is 25 to 34, whereas a lot of you guys, and go ahead and comment this, what's your top age range on your Instagram account right now? It's probably 13 to 17 or 18 to 24 because that's the biggest population. But most 13 to 17-year-olds, not all, okay, and most 18 to 24-year-olds ain't got that money. And if we want to be able to monetize, we just need to attract intellectual people that maybe have a little bit more money to spend. So we've got the largest population, 25 to 34, 76% women because they're like, oh my gosh, it's a cute puppy. Like, I love this, get me one, right? They talk to their husband like that, okay? But the really cool thing additionally is US, UK, Brazil, Canada, Australia. Like these are the top countries. United States by a long haul, 363 million people in this country, biggest spenders out there in like, period. We spend a lot of money on like dumb stuff, all right? We are the fattest country, and I love the United States. I live in the best freaking country in the world. I believe that, okay? But we are the fattest. We are the fattest, okay? We eat a lot of dumb shit, and we spend a lot of money on our puppies, okay? So that's really cool. And actually, I just found out that I have like not even 40/20 eye vision. I'm basically blind, which is funny because like I've never had a problem seeing anything before. I've never been in a car accident. I've actually done a lot of racing, like actual like racing, like sprint cars, dragsters, things like that. I'm really good at shooting rifles and all that stuff. Lever action, no scope, like I'm good at that stuff. I apparently can't see. I actually, instead of applying for the Idaho license, I went and I got my Washington one online again because I couldn't. I went in and they're like, yeah, you can't pass the test. So that's a cool story. Update you on that later. We've got the right location. We've got the right age. All this is looking good. And even though the account, it's only got 660 followers, the impressions are pretty on point. And as you can see, video plays a very important role in this, but impressions are doing pretty good. 19,000 impressions, 10,000 impressions, 4,800, doing really good. Hey, brand new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. That little red pillow I had out earlier, make sure to hit that button, all right? We're always going over entrepreneurship. I've earned 7 figures. I've got members that have earned 7 figures, okay? We train, we dominate the Instagram space. We know this. It ain't a game for us. It's not like a clout thing. Oh my gosh, my duck face got 1 million likes. Let me put my boobs up higher. I'm gonna get tons of likes. No, it's not about that. I like earning money from Instagram, and I like teaching people to earn money from Instagram. So this ain't a game for me or my members. You wanna register for the free Instagram Mastery web class? Link is in the description, okay? You wanna learn how we're growing every day, how we have sustainable followers, how we're able to stay in the money, all right? Go ahead and register for that web class. Look, I just want you to be able to hop on there and see all the opportunities on Instagram that you haven't been made aware of yet at this point, okay? So we got a good following here. Now, if we go back over and we look at the account, let's just check it out. Engagement rate is actually pretty good. Social Blade is saying we're averaging like a 32% engagement rate, like really high. Now, no black hat methods, okay? We're not using power likes, we're not using bots, we're not using power views. We don't want any of that stuff on here. Let's take a look. This post, very recent, 63 likes, 4 comments, 197 views, 5 comments. But as you get away from a lot of the recent stuff, look at this, 3,400 views, 61 comments. And this is on an account with 600 followers, okay? 150, this one's a little bit less viral. 831 views, 13 comments. Like the engagement is pretty good. Averaging 11 to 15 comments, but they're not BS. It's not like, wow, cool, awesome, all right? It's intellectual stuff. Now, if you look at the captioning on this, here's the other part. You need to be able to generate intellectual worth, okay? Somebody could post this video, and then another account could too, but they're gonna generate and cultivate a completely different type of followers. So if you wanna learn how to grow on Instagram, you wanna grow on Instagram using intellectual methods. Don't use black hat, you don't need bots, all right? It's using the proper hashtags, it's having the proper content pattern, it's providing context in your captions. And this is where you have the opportunity to cultivate intellectual worth. You can post captions that are yay or nay, wow, cool, awesome, and you're gonna get the people that are like thumbs up, emoji, cool bro, wow, this is dope, really love your content. It's all BS. Or you can have captions that are more like this, okay? Look at the intellectual elements in here. Educating, teaching, okay? Baiting was a common blood sport in the United Kingdom from 1206 up to 1835. Bulldogs, which had been specifically bred for the violent encounter, would creep low to the ground and attempt to bite the bull or bear's or horse's nose. These tenacious dogs would hold on for dear life, blah, blah, blah. Like, it's educating on how they've been bred. This is going to cultivate and extract an audience on Instagram that actually is engaged, they're intellectual, they are monetizable. Versus the 13-year-old kid that's like, oh my gosh, I love puppies, I want one. Actually, I sleep with stuffed animals. Like, it doesn't do anything. So those are the points behind the account. Now, hey, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the description. Let's talk about monetization. So you can't monetize without an audience. There's a lot of people out there that are just like, buy this, buy this, buy this. Here, there's a wallet, buy it, all right? And it does nothing for anybody. You can't do that. You need an audience first. You need an audience, all right? So here's what we're doing. Audience is growing first. We're building it up. 2,000, 2,500. It's engagement. Engagement is the thing, okay? You got 2,500 followers and you're averaging 26 likes and 3 comments. There ain't nothing there. You ain't gonna make any deals. Don't care how you're monetizing. But you have 1,000 followers and you're getting 150, 200 likes. You've got all these engaged comments. That's huge. You're gonna be able to, there's money in the audience. CPA, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, paid campaigns, doesn't matter, all right? There's money in the audience. So we're getting to 2,500, hashtags, networking, 502, story illusion, okay? And then we're gonna do some targeted IG ads, all right? Story feed. And we're gonna target what we see the audience we're attracted, 25 to 34-year-old females, primarily, United States, we'll maybe put some UK, some Canada, some Australia in there, those tier 1 countries. We're gonna extract that. People are gonna come into the brand, we're gonna continue building that engagement. E-com store is gonna go up, probably gonna go with a 1-product store. We're gonna test the market, survey the audience through Instagram polls. What's your favorite type of dog toy? What's the thing that you can't find for your dogs right now? Do you have dogs, yes or no? What's your brand, what's your breed? And we're gonna document all that, so when we've got the audience, we can go, okay, this is what the market said they wanted. Here's the product, find a trending product, and literally just sell back to the audience what they freaking said they wanted. People got marketing backwards. They just think, oh, I'm gonna start a business, buy this. You should buy this, you should buy this. They haven't figured out what the market wants. They haven't done any of that, all right? So that's what we're doing right here, all right? So following the journey as we're going along, we're building this account, we're growing it, no black hat methods, no automation BS, and see how we're gonna be monetizing it over the next couple months, all right? And once again, guys, make sure to register for the Instagram Mastery webinar if you haven't already. Link is in the description. You're gonna be able to see all the testimonials, the verified income. We've got people earning over $10 million in verified income. What other Instagram trainer out there? What other social media expert? Like, I'm not an Instagram trainer. Like, I'm a sales guy, all right? I'm a professional sales person. I know money. I'm paid. I make money. And I do it with Instagram. That's what you're gonna be able to learn, all right? Register for the webinar, okay? Now, on a more serious note, make sure you give Jim a follow here, okay? If you wanna stay engaged, up to date on what he's doing, be inside the account, engage on it, drop some comments, drop some likes on it, okay? Link is in the description, all right? Make sure to give Jim a follow at Pampered Puppy Place, all right? So you can keep monitor on this, and I'll keep you guys notified on all the videos I'm dropping out, continuing to help Jim grow this and turn it from an account with a low following but high engagement into an account with a high following and being able to monetize. That is how you grow on Instagram. Stay around for the journey so we can keep teaching you how to grow on Instagram. My name is Ben Oberg, and I'll see you inside the Instagram webinar, and you should join it. Okay, like, and then do the comment thing, and then hit the subscribe button, and thank you.